Hello and welcome to the live chit chat show organized by Awesome World Entertainment. Guys, last week नहीं आ पाई थी because of Diwali and I know that you people have enjoyed it a lot. So ऐसे बहुत सारे ओकेजन हमारे लाइफ में हैं जो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है एंड जैसे कि वेडिंग और उस दिन हम अपने आप को बहुत सुंदर दिखना चाहते हैं, हेड टू टो ग्रूम दिखना चाहते हैं, जिसके लिए हमें प्रॉपर हेयर स्टाइलिंग, मेकअप, कॉस्ट्यूम, ज्वेलरी, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत मायने रखते हैं जिसके लिए। तो इसके लिए हम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लोगों को कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं, कांटेक्ट करते हैं और कभी कभी ये बहुत हेडेक हो जाता है। ऐसा हो अगर हमें ये सारी चीज़ें अंडर मिले, कैसा होगा? जी हाँ, तो इसी प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन लेके हम अपने गेस्ट को बुलाते हैं और ये पहली बार हो रहा है जब हम कपल्स को इनवाइट किए हैं अपने शो में, जिनका नाम है मिस्टर एंड मिसेस सुनील भोग एंड वो है मेको स्टूडियो के ओनर। तो उनसे हम बात करेंगे इस चर्चे पे और काफ़ी जानने की कोशिश करेंगे क्योंकि ये जो कपल हैं ये ब्यूटीफाई करते हैं लोगों के जीवन को, उनकी ओकेशंस को। तो उनको लेते हैं ऑनलाइन और जानते हैं इनकी जादू के पिटारे में और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं। तो मैं लेती हूँ ऑनलाइन, प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड।
Yeah, hi, hello. Yeah,
Yes, are we audible, Madhu?
yeah. You are audible. And yes, looking very warm welcome to our show, ma'am and sir.
Thank you so much.
Just put your camera in such a way so that both of you can be covered. A little, yeah. Now I can see you. Sir, you're looking very handsome. Ma'am, as usual, you're looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madhu.
Well, my question first of all goes with ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to, you are in jewelry designer, right?
Yes.
As I told people that आप जो है वो लोगों की लाइफ को ब्यूटीफाई करते हैं, ओकेशंस को ब्यूटीफाई करते हैं. So just can you share your journey with us?
Well, my journey has been long. It's been 20 years this year. I started
Okay.
in 2000. Jewelry from my house. My daughter was
Okay.
7 years old and I wanted to do something to keep me occupied. I'm a qualified fashion designer from IITC Mumbai. But when I got
Okay.
married and came, my husband and my sister-in-law were already in the boutique business. So I was like, okay, like two famous designers already, they had their clients and all. And I was thinking, encouraged by my in-laws, blessings of them, they pushed me, Purva, do something, like to spend the time and all. And that's how I started Diva Jewels. I operate
Yeah.
3 years from my house. I used to take appointments and have my friends and clients over, and then I shifted to the boutique where we have our the boutique section, and now we have a makeup section. And I did a small setup in the room, and that's how Diva Jewels started. And it's
Very nice. So you started. So who inspired you for that? You know, there is a kind of push that's required for a lady having a child or newly married. You can see. तो कभी कभी लगता है कि हमको एक पुश की जरूरत होती है. तो आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा कब कब मौका आया जब आपको लगा कि आपको ज्वेलरी डिजाइनिंग करनी है या फिर मतलब किस तरह से ये दिमाग में आया आपके?
The push, I would say, was from my father-in-law and from my mother-in-law. I would give the credit
Great.
to my in-laws. Yes, blessed. Totally blessed.
Very nice.
Yes. They were the ones.
Okay.
You need to do something, and why not? You're qualified.
That-
And you have so many ideas. I was very fond of decorating the house. I first thought I'll get into interiors. I loved
Okay.
bedspreads, cushion covers, lampshades, and those type of fittings for the house, things
Okay.
and all. But then I don't know. Jewelry was something I never thought of I'll get into. It was just
But you get into that only. Okay. So you are means qualified in jewelry designing also. You have done jewelry designing also?
I've done
A course.
designing. I've not done jewelry designing. Jewelry has been my
Okay.
I've learned over the years, and today I give work to my karigars. I tell them how I want my pieces. My pieces are totally handcrafted. They're all designed by me.
Okay.
But I have a set of karigars. I also do real jewelry and semi-precious jewelry.
Okay. I've seen your collection. Some of your collections is like, it has a traditional touch also, but a kind of Indo-Western touch also. So you have means explored during your work only. Means they have a traditional as well as, the Indo-Western look. So are they on the means requirement of the client,
Yes, I
or you
customize.
design yourself?
I do
Okay.
customize to clients' requirements, like we specialize for bridals. So we have brides coming with,
Okay.
a picture in mind that I want my jewelry like this, I want my matha pattis like this, I want this look, you know. So I do design for them.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I also have a good range at my store. I have exclusive
Okay.
Indian and Western jewelry both. And if I have orders, I love to design for my clients. I love brides who really like to dress up to their best, and I try my best to give them a look,
Okay. वही मैं बता रही थी अभी कि बिकॉज दिस कपल लव टू ब्यूटिफाई अदर्स लाइफ कि एक स्पेशल ओकेशन होती है सबकी लाइफ में जो है वेडिंग एंड यू पीपल गिव देम दैट शाइन टू दैट ओकेशन सो आई वुड जस्ट कम टू मिस्टर भोग आप अपनी जर्नी बताइए आप तो शायद पेरिस से आपने वो सारी स्टडी की है तो आप किस तरह से आप अपनी थोड़ी जर्नी आप हमें बताइए
To India, and that I came down for my sister's wedding, and after that I didn't
Okay.
go back. I had my tickets to go back, but then I realized
Okay.
that in India, my dad told me that you are working for someone, working for someone over there. Instead of that, why don't you put
Okay.
in your hard work to yourself? And in those days,
Okay.
trends in fashion in India were not all that great, but a lot of silks and all those things were in style. So I thought that why not I go to Bangalore and I explore fabrics, because I was always as a student I was very fond of picking up Vogue magazines and fashion catalogs. I would draw sketches, I would color them, and my mom would tell my dad, I think iska interest in cheezon mein zyada hai, in designing clothes and fashion, and he's fond of colors
Okay.
and fabrics. And that's how we started.
Okay.
Before going abroad, I had started my own tailoring unit over here on a very small scale. So that was me and my
Okay.
sister. And then that's how I had to go abroad, leaving her over here. And then for her wedding, when I came back, I didn't go back. I said, let me do my own over here. Then I
Right.
started working on my designs and on my very small real lights. That's how we started with our,
Okay. So, means just tell me about your makeover studio in Pune. Makeover studio, yeah.
I had a lot of clients who were coming to me for their customized tailorings. So that's how, and
Okay.
I knew makeup artistry, and since a kid I was also very fond of makeup, but we were not getting brands in India. So
Okay.
last 15 years, we've been having brands in India, so available, easy. So that's how I got into makeup,
Okay.
and I do a lot of at the makeover studios. I have a lot of skin treatments. I've been trained at the Rahul Fateh Institute, and I've learned the skills. They came
Okay.
and educated me with their skills on skin and different types of skin
Okay.
therapies for skin, and brightening, whitening, lightening, especially for brides when before their wedding,
Okay.
they want to look bright and they want to look at the same time even that glow on the skin, the natural glow on the skin. So that's how
Okay.
I give treatments at the makeover studio with the skin treatments, and along
Okay.
with that makeup. So like it said, for a good makeup you need for a good canvas. So or a nice painting you need a good canvas. So
Okay.
I feel that my clients, whoever come for skin, should have a good skin for makeup, and so that the makeup also stands out and it looks beautiful, So I
Right.
have,
So you are also educating, providing training. Okay.
I give pro art training also here. We have an academy where we train
Okay.
students. We have some people, some girls or boys who want to learn makeup artistry. Some want it for a beauty purpose for themselves. Some want self grooming. Some want it for to learn pro, to do it over clients or for weddings, or they want to also do it as a sort of a business, makeup artistry. So I even train
Okay.
on that level.
Okay, okay. So you have been into makeup also, right? From a fashion designing, you are also doing makeups and all, right? For different, like you have told me that regarding the corporate makeups and everything you teach
Yes.
or you do.
Yeah,
So just tell me. Yes.
we do for photo shoots as well as corporate events and for ramp
Okay.
shows,
Okay. Ramp shows also. Okay. Fashion ramp walk.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. So, sir, do you find that people are really more obsessed about the skin color? So, what you have to say about it? मतलब लगता है कि जिसके डस्की स्किन है, they feel like little low. तो आप जब मेकअप करते हो तो आप क्या क्या चीजें अपने ध्यान में रखते हो जो उनमें भी मतलब ऐसे है कि स्किन कलर कोई मैटर नहीं करता, द ब्यूटी रिसाइड्स समवेयर विदिन. तो आप इसके बारे में क्या कहना
ऐसा
चाहोगे?
होता है कि स्किन का जब मामला आता है कि बिफोर द क्लाइंट वी आस्क देम, like what do you want? Who comes for a makeup?
Okay.
She wants fair look, or either whoever has got that face color, she prefers that color. She's dusky, so she says, I prefer my dusky look. So we like to keep it up of them.
Okay.
In case if she wants a fair look, then we alter the shade, the color with the foundation. We either brighten it or we lighten it, and we give that look to her, whatever she wants. But I basically don't like transformation in makeup. A lot of change. If she's dark, I don't like to make her look very fair. I like to make her look just nearby.
Right.
Like if she's a little on the fairer side, so keeping that shade only in mind, not making it very fair at the same time. Then it should not look very ghostly.
Okay.
Then it looks like a ghost, with very very white face or something.
Right.
So I like to keep. I suggest them that I think that you should go in with a little 1 or 2 shades lighter, not more.
Okay. So basically a natural no makeup look, right?
No.
Natural no makeup look.
It depends. Some people want the no makeup look, but some people
Okay.
want the makeup look. They want that makeup to be seen, as well as it has to be like on your face when you apply makeup. It has to be seen. The makeup has to be seen that you have applied makeup.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just come to ma'am again. Ma'am, your jewelry has been, various range. So what are the price ranges that people make it affordable, because they are really very rich. Huh? So what are the price range you provide, from what price range it starts?
My jewelry, first of all, I would want to explain. My jewelry is semi-precious. It is silver based.
Okay.
It has a mix of metals in some pieces, but the stones, the beads, what I use are all semi-precious. So my jewelry is,
Okay.
I wouldn't say a very lesser range. It starts like bridal sets would start from 8 to 10,000 onwards.
Okay.
Yeah. So the stone,
Okay.
the quality, the finish of my pieces is very close to real, and that's what the price is, because it's all handcrafted and it has the what you call the semi-precious stones and all.
So is it like jewelry? You also doing the gold also, no? Gold and silver and diamonds also?
I make to order.
Yes. Hello?
Yes. I make to order in gold, diamonds, jarao, kundan.
So, ma'am, just a minute. There is a problem. Hello? There is a volume problem here. Just a minute. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. Very cool.
Yeah, now it's okay. So what I'm saying that so you make it in the diamonds and gold also, right?
Yes. I do.
Your jewelries are in diamonds and gold also.
And jarao jewelry, both.
Wow. So what is your main interest? What kind of jewelry you are totally like glued to, या आपको खुद को बहुत पसंद आता है, किस तरह का ज्वेलरी आप डिजाइन करते हैं, और what inspire you to the craft this jewelry? मतलब ऐसा है कि आप कुछ हिस्टोरिकल चीजों से इंस्पायर होते हैं, या you have your own idea to craft the jewelry? तो किस तरह से है आपका?
Well, I would say Kundan is very old Indian. India holds the best of karigars, the best of designs. It's a very beautiful form. We are very proud of our Indian heritage. So there are a lot of designs we get from a Mughal, the Kashmiri look, the old jewelry, what the Raja Maharajas wore. So we do yet refer those designs. We take inspiration from them. So there's a lot of
Okay.
inspiration coming. I love Jarao Kundan jewelry. I do have Western also, but
Okay.
I personally love Kundan jewelry. I think it's one thing what the brides need to have, and
Express.
we have, yeah. The brides look the best in traditional jewelry. It's our traditional thing what we're really proud of.
Okay. So it is limited to bride only, or you design something from groom also?
Of course, I do for bridegrooms and
Okay.
for the family, yes. We have simple sets and all also. We have jewelry for everyone, for youngsters, for the bridegroom, for the bride, the family.
Okay. So this costume jewelry has been, in fashion nowadays. नहीं तो पहले क्या था कि ट्रेडिशनल वो गोल्ड वाली ज्वेलरी होती थी, किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ लोग सिर्फ गोल्ड की ज्वेलरी ही पहनते थे, like simply crafted. Now the things have changed totally.
Yes.
Now they are trying to match up with the colors also, right? So it's quite challenging for people also that कि उनके पूरे requirement के साथ match करना is really very, जो लोग बहुत अपने काम पे dedicated है and they love their work. I think you create a magic. I have seen your collection, ma'am. So it is like really awesome. Exhibition theater तो बहुत अच्छा है. It's very 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 beautiful. I have seen some of the models in your pages, and they are showing off their jewelry. I think Diva Jewels. So this is a time when I come and meet you. It's like really happy to see you see you here. So sir, आपको भी मैं पूछ रही हूँ, आपके जो designs है, so makeup के खासकर मैं पूछना चाहूँगी sir कि आप लड़कों को भी क्या makeup की जरूरत पड़ती है? Like मतलब लोग सोचते हैं कि बस लड़कियों को ज्यादा मेकअप का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, दे वांट टू लुक गुड, हाउ इट गोज विद द ग्रूम?
ऐसी बात नहीं है. Even the men need makeup, and in fact when you just spoke some time back, you spoke about the no makeup look. So for men,
Yes.
we try giving the no makeup look. We do apply makeup, but
Okay.
at the same time very softly, and the colors what we use over their skin is very close, very matching to their skin. We match the skin very closely to their the makeup to their skin, and try to give them a natural look. Don't like to give a very cakey look to them, but definitely, because what is happening these days, a lot of professional photography, and the girl is dressed up to the core, and the groom is looking very dull with the skin. So there is something which is called a natural skin, and which is a little made up. So with that little bit of texture on the skin with makeup, the skin looks polished, the skin looks nice, as well as and they both match each other in photographs, because down the line, and after a few years, when they see the wedding pictures, she would tell him, "आप देखो कैसे दिख रहे हो उसमें." So,
Right.
so it's that which is
Definitely they would look dull without makeup and all,
She
right?
not get a chance to tell him, देखो आप कैसे दिख रहे थे इतने साल पहले. So he would say,
So you want to
"अभी
make both
अच्छा
of them
लगता
happy,
था, अभी मैं अच्छा ही लग रहा हूँ." So look at me, I take great care of my skin, and I see to it that I give at least nothing less than at least 15-20 minutes for my skin every day, because it takes you a long way. Because skin,
Right.
because with the climate conditions, there's so much of pollution, there's so much of light damage and all, with the sun you get a lot of tanning. So, and then your skin starts showing, basically. So if you take care of your skin, and you have a skin regime, where you do a little bit of cleansing, you tone, you moisturize, and there's nothing wrong that if a guy does it, and it's good. It's good for him also,
Right. They actually match up with the standard. Yeah.
At the end of the day,
कोई नहीं बोलेगा.
who does the woman dress up for? She dresses up for the man, right? And the man also should dress
Right.
up for the woman, that way.
Yeah, that's nice. बिकॉज लोगों के दिमाग में कॉन्सेप्ट होता है ना कि बस लड़कियों को सजना है, दे आर बीइंग मैरिड, दे हैव टू लुक गुड, बट इक्वली मैन आल्सो हैज टू लुक गुड. तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि फोटो में जब फोटोग्राफी होती है तो कम से कम ये नहीं बोल पाएंगे कौन ज्यादा अच्छा दिखता है. दे हैव बोथ हैव टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर.
Yes, and
सो मैम आपके लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है. Whenever you require a makeup, sir is there for you.
Absolutely. I'm the lucky one.
So,
I have to just
Okay, so is it-
he does the best for me.
that's what I'm saying. So he can groom you everywhere, in every sense. Dressing, then jewelry you yourself do, then makeup sir is there. तो फिर आपको क्या क्या लगता है कि नहीं है जो एक सर के बारे में सबसे अच्छा बात बताइए
but I
आउट
think
ऑफ मेकअप,
बात-
मतलब वो मेकअप एंड
बाबू,
ज्वेलरी,
ऐसे होता है-
व्हाट यू लाइक द
ऐसे
मोस्ट?
होता है ना, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. तो लाइक वो कहावत है ना, घर की मुर्गी. अब घर में मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है, मेकअप भी है घर में, तो इनको मेकअप करने का दिन नहीं
एंड
होता है.
डिजाइनर also.
We get it done. We get it
तो
done.
वो मैम से पूछा, शी इज सो ब्लेस्ड. इज दिस यू से मैरिज एंड लव मैरिज?
Sorry, I didn't get
This
you.
is love marriage.
तो मैम बोले कि आपकी मैरिज है लव मैरिज या अरेंज मैरिज?
It is a love come arranged marriage.
वाओ, सी यही है कि क्या ऐसा है क्या कि आप लोगों के इंटरेस्ट ने आपको मिलाया? सी बोथ ऑफ यू आर लाइक ब्यूटीफाइंग पीपल. ये जो आप दोनों के इंटरेस्ट बहुत मिलती है, तो इज दिस द रीजन और कि आप लोग दोनों एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए
It
पूरा
was
लाइक
not profession. We just met through friends, so it was not profession at that
Wow.
time. And I started my
Okay.
business quite later after my marriage. My daughter was 7 years old when I started. So
ओके.
after 8 years of marriage, yes.
सो ट्रूली ब्लेस्ड, आई कैन से ट्रूली ब्लेस्ड कि ऐसा मतलब कंपेनियन मिलना जो आपको संवारता रहे लाइफ भर. व्हाट मोर देन दैट, राइट?
Absolutely. We have
What more than that?
everybody under one roof. We have grooming, we have a boutique, we have jewelry, we have
Yes.
skincare, we have everything under one roof. So
Bride and groom doesn't have to move here and there or whatever it is. Everything is provided by you. So that's what I told my viewers. If you don't have to worry about any question, you just tell me about your address. Where is your shop or your institute is, so that one can go and connect.
You know, in Pune, there's the most famous landmark, which is that garden Vada Pav, the most famous JG Garden. So we are just adjacent to JG Garden Vada Pav Center, and
Yes.
that's just 2 minutes, hardly 1 minute walk from our studio. And
Okay.
once you reach there, this thing, and at the Instagram we are there. I'm with the Makeover Studios Pune, and Purva's handle is Diva Jewels, and our numbers are there.
Right.
So in case if you want to reach us at the studio anytime, and obviously
Okay.
you are also there. They can contact you. They can contact you to reach us.
Definitely.
I prefer.
Sir, really, I just went to JJ Garden. I have Vada Pav there. So, but पता ही नहीं था कि आप वहाँ आसपास रहते, तो मैं कब की पहुँच जाती थी.
ऐसा होता है कि जब ब्राइड और ग्रूम आते हैं हमारे पास, we prefer calling them a little bit the last minute bride or the groom. We have to take care, but I prefer my bride or the groom, whoever comes to us, giving us about a 1.5 month time where we can give them a lot of treatments of skin if skin issues are there.
Okay.
Because I've seen long ago, I had a symposium, a small seminar at Hayat, and you believe it or not, I hardly came across anyone with good skin, basically. And brides came to us,
Right.
and the skin was really not well maintained. So we had to tell them that you need maintenance, skin maintenance, and at least of 1 month, where we will be given some treatments at the studio as well as home care. We'll be giving you some products to apply for your skin lightening or the pigmentation or the tan you have, or you have open pores, those sort of things. And to
open
have
pores, yeah.
the flawless makeup, you need good skin. So that's how we insist on at least a month and a half, where we give them our packages of their skin treatments, through some packs or.
It is very nice thing. Yeah, right. It is very nice thing that you are providing everything. That means the before the prep also, right? Means you are making them ready for their special occasion.
Yes.
कि बहुत सारे होते कि अचानक से अगर हम मेकअप करने जाएं तो वो चीज नहीं आ पाता because of the skin is not that good. तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है, and I think those who are viewing us, उनको प्रॉब्लम की जरूरत ही नहीं है, कोई सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो आपके पास आ जाए, सारा सोल्यूशन आप लोगों के पास मिल जाए. So I request all of my viewers to just go to them. They will provide all the inch of solutions what you need. So this is very nice, sir. And sir, I also heard that कि आप singing में भी हैं. You are a trained singer,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So आप बताइए सर, आपको क्या नहीं आता है? You just tell me. कोई एक ऐसा चीज बताइए जो आप नहीं करते.
You know, if I tell you,
So you are totally you came in package.
क्या नहीं आता वो बताओ या क्या आता है वो बताओ आपको.
नहीं सर, आप सिंगिंग के बारे में बताएं. You are a trained singer, right?
Singing के बारे में ऐसा था कि I used to be also very fond of singing when I was in the college, and I would always imagine that I'm performing and there's an audience in front of me. I always dreamt, you know, and it's like asking the universe, you know. And I used to always dream of singing, and the audience is in front of me, and that's how I started music as a passion, learning music as adding to my style. But then slowly I got into it. I got a very good guru, Dr. Sudhakar Marathe. He's a very eminent artist from Pune, and he was teaching from Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. I did my training, and where I learned classical for last about 25 years. And that's how I started singing. And then I saw that I can sing, but I don't have a voice to match any singer or something, but I have a own self voice, which I sing a more of devotional, and I'm getting into ghazals also now, you know.
Okay, so मैम के ऊपर एक गजल हो जाए, 2 लाइन.
Ghazal.
मैम के ऊपर.
मैम के ऊपर गजल.
She is a beautiful. आपको तो मतलब मुंह से वाली कुछ भी होगा आपको तो याद आता रहेगा. And I just blessed you people are blessed couple I say, because इतना अच्छा मतलब ये जो compliment करने वाली आपकी profession है, and you people compliment each other so well. I'm overwhelmed. You know, you are set an example for me. So बहुत अच्छा लगता है, you know, that both of you work on the same platform, adding beauty to others' life. और आप सिंगर भी हैं. माँ सरस्वती ने आपको भर भर के मतलब ब्लेसिंग्स दिए हैं. तो प्लीज 2 लाइन हो जाए आपसे, थोड़ा सुनिए हम लोग, सिर्फ 2 लाइन.
आपको देख कर देखता रह गया, आपको देख कर देखता रह गया, क्या कहूँ और कहने को क्या रह गया, आपको देख कर देखता रह गया.
मैम कुछ बोलिए, कुछ तो बोलिए.
Thank you, Madhu. Thank you so much.
It's just lovely. See, the comments are coming lovely. So I think you are a very energetic person, means having a very positive energy toward life, है ना? तो आपको देख के लगता है you people are very good to go with anything in life, and I just love this attitude of yours, and ma'am yours also. शायद आपकी ब्यूटी ने इनको और निखार के रखा है ना? आपकी ब्यूटी ने इनको और निखार के रखा है कि अपने ऊपर काम करने जा रहे हैं.
Madhu, we are born with spiritualism, and we are spiritual people, you know. So what happens is there comes when you are into spirituality, so you get calm by itself, you get very composed. Yes. And you are satisfied. We are satisfied in whatever we do, and however whatever we are doing, we are happy in that whatever we are.
Absolutely, sir. आगे की क्या प्लानिंग है आपकी? मतलब आप कोई एग्जीबिशन भी करते हो या फिर कोई फैशन शॉपिंग इवेंट्स भी करते हो? Generally, are you going to any events?
Events in the sense is like there are some things in the pipeline, but if I get a chance, basically I like to do more of events, जैसे कि educating about on makeup, doing a small event on where there are about a master class, where about 50 people can get together, ladies or men or women, who want to learn makeup basically. So I can take a master class. I have something in mind to do where I would like to have a seminar or something, or a master class on makeup and makeup trainings, you know, that way.
Okay. And ma'am, do you have anything in do you do any kind of exhibitions of your jewelry or something?
I used to do a lot of exhibitions, but at the moment I'm not doing any exhibitions. I'm busy with my orders, and just in the business. No more exhibitions.
Okay.
No means.
That's nice. So what is your future plans? You want to go internationally with your jewelry and all?
Yes, of course. We have a lot of clients who source jewelry from us. We have a client.
Okay.
Yeah. So since this is handcrafted, the volume is not that way. So it is given a very personalized touch to each piece of my jewelry. So I want to take it slowly and gradually.
Wow, that's nice. That's lovely talking to you. I just am overwhelmed with this meeting and all. I loved it. I love talking to you people. I hope I can stretch it more to know more about you. But I feel that I have to meet you in person very soon. Thank you for being in our show. And I ask all my viewers to go to them to have the proper solution of your marriage. You don't have to worry about. They will take the headache. What I can say, right?
Thank you,
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs.
Also.
Yeah, nice. Yes. Thank you. Thanks a lot for being in our show.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. So guys, as I told कि आपको अपनी स्पेशल ओकेशन के लिए टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. इनका जो इंस्टीट्यूट है वो है कैंप एरिया में. तो फटाफट जाएं और अपने सारे जो परेशानी है, जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, जो कस्टमाइजेशन कराना है, जाके उनसे बात करें तो सारे प्रॉब्लम के सॉल्यूशंस आपको मिल जाएंगे. और फिर आप बने रहिएगा. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में फिर मैं एक पर्सनालिटी के साथ हाजिर होती हूँ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर.